Hello, my name is Swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the Kershaw Emerson knife. It's one of a bigger series that they make now as a license made over in China. I just got that in and will tell a bit about the first impressions. It comes in a regular box. We see some Emerson printing on it and built by Kershaw, made in China. KershawKnives.com is the website. There you see all the technical information. There is actually a paper more, and this one is the CQC6K, and the model number is quite likely that 6034 there. They make the same knife in a Tanto version as well. This is the regular one. It comes with 3 spare screws for the grip. Then we have a bit information. It's just the paperwork about how the lock work in that one, and yeah, that is explained how the wave shaped opening feature works. You see that online on videos how that works. It's basically opening the knife as you draw it out, hopefully without damaging your pants too bad there. So there are videos online as well. That works pretty good, that feature, and the knife that they put on is actually the one that we have a look at it. This one, as we see, is a factory second, so the quality control is already a bit on the bad side there. Whoever made that over in China, is it Sanrenmu or other suppliers for Kershaw knives. We see here it has a dimple in the G10. That part here should have never go through the quality control. Quite likely there isn't that much quality control. The knife is pretty well how it is. It's just the G10 side, that black part, that is completely messed up. Whoever did mill the sides, all the way around, we see it has a lot of imperfections in it. That I hope the camera see that. On the back side we see here too, it's really bumpy all the way around it. Here it's less, there it's more, and here we see it too. So that is not, if that is CNC, then it's a sorry programming. Here we see it really good. We see the bump here, and then here it goes down too much. So that is a knife that's gonna go back. I could not select that. That just came with the mail with some items that I did order, but it's clear a factory second. So the liners that they use are stainless steel, and it's a frame lock, and the parts are blasted. The frame parts there are blasted, the clip too. The clip has the logo engraving there. And the other problem is the serrations are really not nice made. I mean, this is a lower price knife, but still the serrations could have been a bit better if they would know how to use a CNC machine correct. And on top we have the items a little bit better. And then what is also terrible made is the part in here. Somehow that part here was connected and they halfway cut through it, and you see still that dimple there, and on the other side the dimple, it's partly covered up by the clip there. It's maybe hard for the camera to see. Also that edges here are really strong. They did not put that part much in a stone washing, or they used too big of stones, as we see here by the blade in that corner as well. The stone washing finish on the blade did not go all in the corners, same as with the dimples. Stones did not reach the corner, and by the wave feature not at all, so it looks like it come from the heat treating and finish. To the blade itself, it has a two-tone finish. We see already the stone washed part here, then they did overgrind it again to have a satin finish that goes from this direction, not that way but this way. We see the laser engraving and the lines of the satin finish. That is pretty nice done. The problem is this is a tactical knife, or they say it's a tactical knife, and it is way too shiny. Way too shiny. If the whole blade would be stone washed, then it would be really nice, but like this, yeah, for me personally it's not much of use. So this knife gonna go back, and the replacement one gets a bit reworked. The blade gonna be completely bead blasted, and the frame lock gonna get some dehorning as well, because the shape and all, I like it a lot. It feels pretty good. Doesn't come with the hefty price tag of a Emerson, or with the quality problems on that designs there. So this is fixable, and then it's pretty nice. What I can't fix is the dimple on the G10, so it's gonna go back for replacement. I just hope I got the only bad one that is around, that other people don't get the same factory seconds brand new in the box. As we close the knife, it has the typical frame lock. Nothing special there at all. The blade is really nice centered, no quality problem, because they use the typical either slot or crosshead screws. It's easy to take apart and clean if needed. The clip you can remove and put it on the other side, because the G10 side with the liner is thicker than the stainless steel frame lock. There you need different length of screws. That's why they gave you the other pair of screws, so don't lose them. If you plan to use the knife as a left-handed person, the clip needs to be on the black G10 side. Other than that, it works pretty good. It did not come oiled, and the pivot was too stiff. Adjusted. That of course is easy because it's just a slot. You take a Swiss Army knife of a good size and you adjust it how you like it and finish. So that much about the Kershaw Emerson design knife.